Hey coders and tech lovers, today we're comparing two AI powerhouses, Blackbox and Chai AI. One helps you write code faster, the other lets you chat with AI bots. Which one wins? Let's break it down. When it comes to main use, Blackbox AI is for AI coding. Yes, it's an AI coding assistant. It has autocomplete and debugging, while Chai AI has an AI chatbot for conversational AI and entertainment purpose. So when it comes to who they're best for, Blackbox AI is best for developers and programmers, while Chai AI is best for casual users and chatbot lovers. When it comes to code support, Blackbox AI supports Python, JavaScript, Java, and more, while Chai AI has no coding, just chatting. When it comes to speed, Blackbox AI has instant code suggestions, while Chai AI is fast and has human-like responses. When it comes to pricing, Blackbox AI is free and has a free and paid plans. It depends on your budget. When it comes to Chai AI, it has free plan, also has premium options. When it comes to their unique perk, Blackbox AI extracts code from that is videos and images, while Chai AI has custom AI chatbots creation. Lastly, let's look at their learning curve. Blackbox AI is easy for coders, while Chai AI is super simple for everyone. So if you're a developer, Blackbox is your coding sidekick. But if you just want to chat with AI, Chai AI is way more fun. Both are cool, but just for totally different things. So, which one are you using? Drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI showdowns. See you in the next video.